Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a real easy Bible journaling page today. So I start with a white crayon and I go over my scripture. That way the wax will repel the watercolor and the scripture will pop out of the page. And then in the words, I'm going to put brown. That's going to be my shoreline. I'm going to give it kind of some curves around the edges like a shoreline would have. And then in the column, I'm going to put blue. That's going to be the ocean. I did a second coat after it dried, and then I went in on the shoreline with my white watercolor. You want to make it pretty runny, and you're going to take a straw and blow the watercolor out into the ocean. It's best to have the ocean a little wet still. Mine had already dried, so it works a little bit better if the water is still slightly wet. And when you blow the white paint, you want to make sure that you have your straw at an angle. If you go straight down on top of the white paint, it's going to go in all different directions, and you want the paint to go out into the ocean, not back into the shoreline. So make sure that you tilt it away from the shore and into the ocean and blow pretty gently because it is going to go everywhere. And you don't want to have the straw too far away from the page. You want to have it like right up against the page. This is great for kids. Kids love doing this. It's easy for them and it looks really good as well. After I was done with the ocean, I went ahead and made some birds over in the crease. I gave them white bodies, brown wings, and some white dots on their backs, and just with a pen I gave them little stick legs. On the shore, I put a couple of different seashells and a little starfish, and then I wrote my scripture over in the ocean, and that was what completed the page. Don't forget to leave me a comment about the next type of art you'd like to see, and make sure you like and subscribe.